you know, the adjoining room. Everyone has an adjoining room sometimes in a hotel.
Yeah.
There was a really noisy family, and they were in the room beside me, and they were so fucking noisy. And the kids, there was like two teenage girls, and they were watching something, and they were shouting at each other, and they were just making a lot of noise and annoying me. So I just put on, I looked up YouTube, a nun saying the Angelus, and
Oh my God.
I've put on a nun saying the Angelus at like normal human volume, and it freaked them out. And I could hear them whispering, and they're like, there's somebody praying next door. Just keep it down, guys, keep it down. And I could hear them go like, do you want a cup of tea? It's like, yes. I could hear them like silently making a cup of tea, trying not to hit the spoon off the edges of the mug.